2-year-old boy gone missing in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have activated a high alert for a 2-year-old boy, Jamil Mendez of Rasta Corner, Freetown in Clarendon, who has been missing since May the 12th. Jamil is of brown complexion, slim-built and about 75 centimeters or 2 feet 5 inches tall.
Alright, come here. Morning. This is JJ mother and this is JJ auntie. So this morning we have a different approach. We are giving away $1 million for any information leading to the information bringing JJ home. If you guys have any information, you don't have to give us your name. Just give us the information and we'll take it from there. We and the police will take it from there. $1 million for any information towards finding JJ. His family need him home. It's been 5 days too long, guys. So please share this on all media platforms so we can get the information out. We're giving away $1 million for any reward leading to bringing JJ home.
Reports from the Longville Park Police are that around 5 p.m. Jamil Mendez was last seen at home, dressed in a yellow t-shirt, grey shorts and blue navy slippers. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Jamil Mendez is being asked to contact the Longville Park Police Station at 876-902-5047, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.